Hello guys, welcome to my channel AK Mechanical Lectures. Today I have brought in new updates regarding PhD admission in NIT, that is of Pondicherry. They have given notification for July session 2021-22. These all are the branches in which they are offering PhD: civil engineering, computer science engineering, electrical electronics engineering, electronics communication, mechanical, chemistry, then physics, mathematics, physical education. There are various category of admission. First one, full time, that is regular full time scholar with institute fellowship and JRF. The institute fellowship will be limited and shall be available on merit. Reservation will be implemented on Government of India norms. Then second one, part time on campus. Regular or full time teachers working in government or government aided or private engineering, technology college or science and arts college or university are considered under this category. At the time of application, the candidate have to submit a NOC from parent college or organization to relieve him or her to complete his or her coursework requirement, and they must have at least 2 years of experience in regular or permanent position at the organization at the time of application. The college or organization must have at least 5 years of its existence for patronizing candidate to part-time PhD program. This category is limited to institutions which are within 300 radius from Pondicherry. And next one, if any regular employee of NIT Pondicherry is there, then they can also apply through proper channel. And next part time is of external candidate, like anyone working in reputed R&D facility or government R&D department, national research laboratory or unit of government or quasi government public sector organization having more with NIT Pondicherry are considered under this category. The candidate must be officially sponsored by their employing organization. A candidate working in an establishment which is equipped with necessary research and library facilities shall be considered for admission under this category, in which there are uh, two guide. One is of there where he is working, like research laboratory or organization or unit of government or quasi government organization. Then that is of the guide which is belong to her parent organization, that is external guide, and one is internal, that is of institute. Eligibility you can see for PhD in engineering, if you have master degree in engineering or technology or master degree by research in engineering or technology discipline with 60% marks or 6.5 GPA in both UG and PG, then you can apply. Or if any candidate with bachelor degree in engineering or technology from CFTI with valid GATE score with minimum of 90% aggregate marks, CGPA of 9.5 or 10 in UG for admission under other caste category, and 85% aggregate marks for SC/ST candidate or equivalent 9 CGPA. For PhD in mathematics, physics, chemistry, physical education, if you have master in relevant subjects with 60% marks in both UG and PG for OC and OBC category, and 55% for SC/ST candidate, and it is mentioned that valid UGC, CSIR, NET, GATE score is mandatory for institute fellowship. If you don't have valid GATE score, then you can't apply. There are different research areas of every department. For computer science and engineering, they have research areas like artificial intelligence, natural language processing, software engineering, data analytics, machine learning, network security, knowledge representation, and reasoning. In electrical and electronics engineering, the research areas are power electronics, electrical drives and control and instrumentation system, high voltage engineering, a smart grid and renewable energy system. And next one, electronics communication, they have areas VLSI, signal processing and audio processing. In mechanical, design, thermal manufacturing and energy. For mathematics, fuzzy optimization, fuzzy system operation research, mathematical theory of control and mathematical biology. In chemistry, nanomaterial, polymer science, electrochemistry and energy application. For physics, condensed matter physics. Selection procedure they have given, it is done by written test and interview by DSC committee. The list of candidates recommended by DSC committee is sent to director for approval. Admission procedure आपका selected candidate will be offered to enroll to PhD program by remitting the prescribed fee. The candidate should also remit fees every semester as prescribed by institute, following which registration will be cancelled. Means if you are not depositing the fee, then your registration will be cancelled automatically. This is the fee of NIT Pondicherry. Like semester fee, it is 11,900, and this is hostel fee 33,000 for boys, and girls 28,000. Financial assistance that is provided by Government of India for both PhD in engineering or science and humanity 31,000. This is the reservation chart for regular full-time scholar with institute fellowship they have given. Total 8 seats for other caste, OBC 4, SC 2, ST 1 EWS. This is the link where you can link to upload the application form. This is the link where you have to upload your application form. The candidate applying for PhD program can apply through application form available at college site. The fee will be charged 1,000. It is done through SBI iCollect. Filled up application form along with self-attested photocopies, mark sheet, degree certificate, community certificate, and necessary enclosure should be uploaded to below link on or before 21st June 2021. So 6 days left. We have to hurry up in filling application form. I will post the link in description box. These all are the steps. Means you have to pay the fee, then fill the application form with carefully and sign the declaration. Enclose application fee paid receipt. Paste a recent passport size photograph and self-attested. Enclose necessary attachment. Scan and upload the application form with all necessary enclosure. It as a file 1 in upload link, and scan and upload fee payment receipt as file 2. Last date will be 21st June 2021. So that's all about the important dates, and they have not mentioned any date for when they will conduct the written test and interview. It is announced later. So best of luck, and share it with your friends who want to fill the PhD form in engineering or science. And if you have not subscribed the channel till now, then subscribe it as soon as possible. Thank you. Have a nice day.